Question 12 of this exercise is actually a very interesting application of the concepts that are there in this chapter, areas of figures on the same basis and between the same parallels. So let's see what this question says. A villager Itwari has a plot of land of the shape of a quadrilateral. The Gram Panchayat of the village decided to take over some portion of his plot from one of the corners to construct a health center. So here's one example of a plot that I've drawn. So it's in the form of a quadrilateral, and the Gram Panchayat wants to take some of this land from a corner to construct a health center. Now, Itwari agrees to the above proposal with the condition that he should be given an equal amount of land in lieu of the land being taken, adjoining his plot so as to form a triangular plot. So what this means is that whatever land is taken by the Gram Panchayat, Itwari wants the same amount of land given to him so that the total land he has forms a triangular plot. Explain how this proposal will be implemented. So this is the question that we have to solve. Okay, so here's what we are going to do to implement this proposal. First, we will take the side BC of the quadrilateral and extend it. So we will draw a ray that extends the side BC. Now we will join the vertices A and C. So we'll draw this diagonal AC, and then through D we will draw a line parallel to AC. So we'll draw a ray parallel to AC which intersects the previous ray. So let's say that this point of intersection is E, and DE is parallel to AC. Finally, take the points A and E and join them as well. So join A to E to get this segment AE. Okay, now here's the logic behind this construction that we've done. The original plot of Itwari has this quadrilateral shape ABCD. Now the key idea of this construction is that the area of ABCD is exactly the same as the area of triangle ABE. So the quadrilateral ABCD and the triangle ABE, they have exactly the same area. Why is that? Well, part of the area is common to both of these figures. So the area of triangle ABC is common to both these figures. Now to get the area of quadrilateral ABCD, you need to add to this area, you need to add the area of triangle ADC. So you get the area of quadrilateral ABCD. And to get the area of triangle ABE, you need to add the area of ACE. So once again, adding the area of ACD gives you the area of quadrilateral ABCD, and adding the area of ACE gives you the area of triangle ABE. And the key idea is that the areas of ACD and ACE, these two areas are equal because these two triangles are on the same base AC and between the same parallels AC and DE. So the solution to Itwari's request is that take his original plot, which looks like this ABCD, which is the sum of these two areas, and convert this plot to this triangular plot, which looks like this. The two plots will have exactly the same area. And the new plot will be a triangular plot as requested by Itwari. So what do we need to do to convert this plot ABCD into this plot ABE? This is what we have to think about. Okay, so if you look at the original quadrilateral plot ABCD and the final triangular plot ABE, these two have a common overlapping area, and that area is this quadrilateral. Let's name this point X. So the overlapping area is ABCX. Now if to this quadrilateral you add the area of triangle AXD, you get ABCD, and if you add triangle XCE, you get the triangle ABE. So based on this observation, we can now come to our final solution. What we need to do is we need to take this triangular part AXD of the original plot and this part can be given to the health center. So this triangular part can be given to the health center, and in lieu of this land AXD, give Itwari this triangular plot XCE. So this part give to Itwari. So this part along with his this quadrilateral ABCX from his original plot, they will combine to give the triangular plot ABE. So this is the solution to question number 12. Make sure that you understood it carefully. If not, go over the video again, pause for a few moments wherever you are confused, and work out the steps on your own. This is a really good problem. It's a very good problem from an understanding point of view. So make sure that you have understood each and every step of the solution properly.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.